Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make art using these wooden spoons on this two triangular canvas. I made something similar to this in my last video also. This is just a slightly different version of that one. I was so tempted to use the same voiceover for this video also because I have been feeling so lazy these days. Actually, I'm lazy most days. Anyways, there was a time when we used to fearlessly order our favorite food from our favorite restaurant, and they used to give us these wooden spoons. I noticed that if we cut the handle of the spoon, it will look like a flower petal. So I just used my washable steel spoons and saved these for my artworks. In my last artwork, I made a full flower, so I decided to shake things up a little bit and make a half flower for this one. I also noticed that if we put these knives back to back, they sort of look like a leaf. When I was setting up my arrangement, I realized that I want my leaf a little shorter. So I cut the bottom of the knives with my scissors. Once I'm satisfied with my setup, I just stick them on my canvas using Fevibond. Fevibond is a very strong glue. You can use a hot glue gun for this, but I don't own one, so I am using Fevibond instead. After applying the glue, I'll just press it softly after a few seconds, a couple of times, so that it is properly glued up. I also stick these plastic gem at the center. After my whole setup is nicely glued up, I'll just leave it for a day. Now this whole setup is completely dry, and now I'm going to prime it using a white acrylic gesso. I have put two layers of gesso on this canvas. First I put the first layer and let it dry for 10 minutes, and then I put another layer of gesso because with one layer it was not completely covering the surface of wooden spoons. I know gesso is not a very common art supply, but I really suggest you to get this because the colors look so much better after the gesso step, and it looks far more vibrant. Now as you can see, I'm applying the acrylic color using a brush, and then I'm spraying some water using a spray bottle because I like that diffused soft watercolory look. One more tip, just keep a few napkins handy with you because it's very hard to remove acrylic paint from floor after it dries, so just mop it instantly. Well, I have painted my first layer and I can't go on until it dries because it will just mix up with the existing color and look a little muddy. So by the time it's drying, let's figure out what to do with the handles of these spoons. So I have this wedding card and it has a very nice bright red surface. So I just arranged all these handles on this card and then stick them one by one using our very trusted Fevibond. They are all glued nicely. Now I am going to put it aside to dry and get back to my canvas. Now I'm going to put green color on the background. My brushwork is not very steady and I accidentally put some green color on my flower petals, but it's okay, we can fix it later. Acrylic colors are very forgiving. If you make a mistake, just wait for it to dry and color over it. I'm using the same technique as I used earlier. I'm just applying some paint and then moving it using my spray bottle. My spray bottle has normal tap water in case anyone is wondering. I lost some footage so I can't show you. I put some black color on the inner corners of my flower. Then in the end, I just watered down some white acrylic paint and sprayed it around my flower. So this is almost done. I quite like it. I hope you liked it too. Now let's get back to our second setup. Like I did with my canvas, I am first going to paint with white acrylic gesso and then paint on it using acrylic colors. I bought this triangular canvas from Amazon. Somebody asked this in the comments of my last video, so yes, I got this from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if I was successful or not, but I really want you to try to create artworks using unconventional art supplies, and I want you to be really observant of the things around you. Anything you see, you should think that, can I make an artwork out of that? So, yes, that's my intention. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.